Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at a cool little knife. This is the Wenger Watchmaker 85, or you might see it listed as the watch case opener. And this is an 85mm Wenger knife. Let me show it to you. It's super exciting. It has aluminum scales on it, and it has the usual knife blade. It's actually a little bit smaller than the usual knife blade, but the super exciting part is not the knife blade. The super exciting part is this. If I can get it out. The watch case tool. And I gotta tell you, if you've watched any of my videos dealing with Swiss Army knives, you've probably seen this one, the Victorinox watch tool. And I feel like it has a friend now. Now it has the Wenger one, and now the Victorinox one is like found the Wenger one. And you have the 84 and the 85mm versions. It's kind of exciting, isn't it? I feel like they're going to hang out together. So here's the question, though. Going forward from here, what do I open knives with? Do I open them with this one, or do I open them with this one? Or do they take turns? I don't know. That's one of the things I'm going to have to reflect on. Maybe consult these two knives and see what they think. Anyway, it's a super... Ooh. I just noticed that. When I tried to close it, it hit the blade. So, it's a super simple little knife, and it's much more compact than the Victorinox one. They're thinner. It's thinner because you have the aluminum scales. Well, you have the aluminum scales versus the normal Celador scales. Anyway, let me know what you think. Is it as exciting of a knife for you as it is for me? My guess is no. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope y'all have an excellent day.